companies are fostering positive change in education, healthcare, livelihood and environmental sustainability through their CSR initiatives, aligning with the Sustainable Development Goals, which is the SDGs. Among these, Indocount Industries Limited stands out as India's premier home textile manufacturer and exporter, specializes in bedsheets, linens and quilts. Dedicated to societal welfare, they actively contribute to uplifting communities and advancing societal well-being.
Anchored in Maharashtra and Gujarat, its advanced manufacturing plants, eco-innovation and quality. Ranked among the top 3 bedsheet suppliers globally, Indocount exports to nearly 50 plus countries with a dominant presence in the US market. Committed to building sustainable communities and striving to exceed the expectations of their customers, their key philosophy is rooted in the belief that every smile counts. Striving for sustainable community models, Indocount reshapes business processes through CSR programs. Their focus on healthcare, education, agriculture and other sectors aim to create a lasting positive impact. Numerous individuals benefit directly and indirectly, demonstrating transformative progress and dedication to societal well-being.
The initial mandate for the CSR was that we will be concentrating on 4 disciplines, which is health, education, sanitation and drinking water. That's how we started. Sports also became a focus area. So we sponsored some, Kolhapur is famous for wrestling, shooting and similar type of sports. So we sponsored wrestling competitions. Then we also sponsored deaf and dumb women cricket competition, which was on a pan-India basis. So that was appreciated a lot. And now jointly with again Kolhapur administration, we are making a gymnasium. You see, these sports people don't have a facility of gymnasium. So to make them, better sports person and all that.
Mahatma Gandhi once said, "It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver." The company extends health outreach to over 100 remote villages and slums by organizing special health camps through health vans staffed with trained medical professionals. Offering free diagnosis, treatment advice and medicines, meeting immediate health needs at people's doorsteps. Regular schedules of health van ensure consistent access to healthcare, addressing the health needs of marginalized communities and facilitating referrals to the district's civil hospital for tertiary services. The company's CSR efforts have enhanced the maternity, cardiac, urology and HIV/AIDS departments by incorporating efficient machines in the CPR hospital of Kolhapur. Over 7 lakh patients have benefited from health outreach services, with twice the number now receiving quality healthcare annually.
We collaborate with government, the facilities, and we have provided all the assistance to the people so that they can take all the vaccination with all the guarantees, all the certificates and all. Apart from that also, still we are working with the different government facilities, suppose government urology departments, then government's AIDS departments. So we are also provided all the infrastructure to the AIDS department especially. And people say our district is the best equipped in AIDS department today.
The Indocount Foundation also aims to boost education by introducing e-learning tools in schools. This digital intervention, implemented in 138 schools in Kolhapur and 4 secondary schools around Bhilad area of Valsad district in Gujarat, has positively impacted over 55,000 students on a yearly basis. And because of the e-learning installed, both their attendance percent as well as academic results have improved.
पहले तो हम जिस तरह पहले पढ़ाते थे, पुस्तक लेकर, बुक लेकर, रट्टा मार के पढ़ने का काम होता था, लेकिन आज जैसे ही हमें इंडोकॉन कंपनी से ये LCD प्रोजेक्टर मिला है, तब से लेकर आज तक हम इस प्रोजेक्टर के माध्यम से ही छात्रों को पढ़ाते हैं। इससे ये फ़ायदा होता है कि याद रखने के लिए फ़ायदा होता है, हम अच्छी तरह से अंक प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, गुण प्राप्त कर सकते हैं।
Additionally, the organization focuses on inclusive development by supporting education for children with special needs. Collaborating with blind schools and organizations like Helpers of the Handicapped in Kolhapur, the organization has refurbished infrastructure, provided e-learning systems, and offered essential support benefiting more than 100 individuals per year from the differently abled population (DAP). This holistic approach emphasizes improving academic results and providing equal opportunity to the differently abled.
मैं हेल्पर्स ऑफ द हैंडीकैप इंस्टीट्यूशन में सेक्रेटरी के तौर पर काम कर रही हूँ। यहाँ इस इंस्टीट्यूट में आने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि डिसेबिलिटी कोई बैरियर नहीं है, वो एक एबिलिटी की ओर जाने वाला एक मार्ग है। बहुत सारे लोग हमें हेल्प कर रहे हैं इंडोकाउंट इंडस्ट्रीज से, जिससे हम एक कदम बढ़ा सके।
Launched in 2019 to 20, Project Gagan by Indocount focuses on uplifting cotton farmers in Maharashtra. Aligned with a Better Cotton initiative, the program emphasizes sustainable practices by providing essential knowledge through partnerships with experts and institutions. The project has increased farmers' income by 31%, improved yields, and promoted sustainability. In regions like Vidarbha, it serves as a model, connecting farmers to reliable buyers and enhancing the overall sustainability of the textile industry.
We are working on a center of excellence where the cotton technology can be explained to the farmers, where he can walk in and discuss with the scientists to see what kind of seed, fertilizers, pesticides he should use and how he can improve on the yields of the cotton. We are working on various aspects to see how we can contribute for the upliftment of the society at large.
Moreover, as part of its CSR efforts, the foundation has supported families of soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country, known as Killed in Action. Through the Karenge Pure Sapne Adhure initiative, the foundation provided educational scholarships of ₹25,000 to the families of martyred soldiers in Maharashtra. These students, selected with the help of the Veer Senani Foundation, aim to build a stronger foundation for their future lives. The initiative reflects the commitment to assisting war widows and honoring the sacrifice of our brave soldiers. Indocount is committed to environmental sustainability through the implementation of a Miyawaki plantation project on 5 acres of wasteland, which involves planting 15,000 trees. This initiative aims to transform the area into a green space, fostering carbon sequestration and biodiversity. By employing the Miyawaki technique, the site transforms into a flourishing ecosystem, aiding in the mitigation of local heat and pollution. The overall impact includes the planting of over 30,000 trees across various areas.
One of our plants is very nearby. So we started our work from plant and then moved on to this place to convert this into a green land. That's what the idea was. And we had to face a lot of challenges because this place is was completely gone. And TDS level was 2600 in the beginning. You can understand the water table, the land quality, everything was gone. So we have to work on this to bring it to a level where we can do the plantation. And we have followed and adopted the Miyawaki technique, and that's how we have developed this forest. Now this has become in 2.5 years almost a kingdom for flora and fauna. Self-growing, we just have to do minimum level of maintenance, and that's all. And similar models we have created also in near one of our plants near Vapi, and 2 more models on Miyawaki adoption we are promoting there. That's how we have taken it forward.
Till now, the company's CSR has impacted more than 2.5 to 3 lakh individuals directly every year in the areas of healthcare, education, agriculture, water, sanitation, environment and support for the differently abled, which are contributing towards meeting various SDGs.